A very good morning, students. Welcome back with IGKO Olympiad workbook with Pinky ma'am. So today we are going, as we have already started with this book, we have completed chapter number 1, 2. So we are coming with the next video of chapter number 3. So let us see what are there in the chapter number 3. What is the chapter content of? The chapter content of science and technology. So today we are going to do with the science and technology chapter. Okay. So here we are with the chapter number 3. The question number 1 will start with chapter number 3. That is, in 1774, a British clergyman named Joseph Priestley conducted an experiment in which he focused sun rays on a tube containing mercuric oxide. This produced a gas which he noticed made candles burn brighter, thus discovering a gas which is the very essence of the life. Which gas was it? So the gas which is formed, okay, so we have an option: carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen and helium. We all know the gas which she produced with is an oxygen. Number 2, a piece of an apple which when exposed to the atmosphere turns brown. This is an example of which changes? Okay, physical change, chemical change, both A and B, and D, none of these. So if there is no physical change, we know that. So it is basically a chemical change. Third, rust in an oxide. Okay, use red oxide formed by the reaction of metal X and oxygen in the presence of water and air. Identify X. So how this rust in oxide is produced? Okay, how this rust in oxide is produced? With the help of, there are three elements present. There are two elements, oxygen and what, in the presence of water and air, so it becomes rusty. When you put all your iron rods and all everything for long period in a water, it becomes rusty. So what are the things, what are the metals present, what are the oxide? One is oxygen and the other is copper, iron, platinum, gold. So it is an iron. It is an iron. Okay. Now coming to question number 4, that is, water boils at lower temperature on the hills because. Why water boils at a lower temperature on the hills? Because temperature is high on the hills. There is more oxygen on the hills. There is more oxygen on the hills. There is option C, there is less pollution on the hills. Option D, there is a less air pressure on the hills. So it is option D, as there is a less pressure on the hills. Okay. Now fifth question, in the context of computers, what can be used for cookies? Okay, what can we use for cookies? In a computer you have a cookies in your settings. When you will go, then you can see there is a cookie. So what is the content? Maintain information, run a program. Okay, run a program, deliver a virus. So what is that? It is option number B, maintain information. It does not run program, does not deliver a virus. Only option number D. Only option number D. Okay, option number B. Only one is right. Number 6. What is the term given to matter in the middle layer of the earth, which is liquid and hot and escapes through cracks in the surface? So what is that term? Is known as, okay, shale, B sema, D magma and granite. So it is magma. Okay, middle layer of the earth, it is in the middle layer, it is in liquid and hot Obviously it is a magma. Okay. Number 7, by putting the Mars orbiter mission MOM in orbit around Mars, India's ISRO become a fourth space agency to reach Mars after the Soviet space program, NASA and the European Space Agency. What is the orbiter commonly known as? What is the orbiter commonly known as? It is Chandrayaan 1? No, no, no. Aryabhatta? No. Bhaskara and Mangalyaan. So it is Bhaskara. It is a Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan. NASA, the first one, we have seen the movie also. Okay, Mangalyaan movie also you have seen, where Akshay Kumar and this Vidya Balan as a main lead, they are doing the role over there. Okay, so we'll come to the question number 8. We'll come to question number 8 of this chapter. Question number 8 is, okay, question number 8. The sun emits tiny electrical particles in all directions during solar flares. When they fall at the Earth's north and south poles, they look like glowing ribbons of light, which may be green, red, or blue in color. What are these called? What are the emits that sun's tiny article particles in all direction of solar flares are known as? What are these? So these are option A, aurora borealis, option B, spectrum, option C, aurorus australis, option D, A and C. It is both C. You can see aurora borealis and aurora australis, both. It means that option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, both A and C. Okay, then we have next question number 9. Time can be measured using many units depending on the duration of phenomenon. Hours, minutes and seconds are common used of units of time. Which of the following is also a unit of time? So which of the following is the unit of time? Census, light year, rap speed or fortnight is a fortnight. Okay, then we have 10th number question. Dry ice is used primarily as a cooling agent. It is the cooler than the usual ice, made from frozen water, and it does not leave any residue. What is its chemical composition? So what is its chemical composition? Its chemical composition is carbon dioxide. Its chemical composition is carbon dioxide. Okay, coming to 11th number question. In which year the first nuclear test was conducted by India under the code name of Smiling Buddha? Okay, which year? 9A option 1970, 1974, 1984, 1984 and 1950. So our answer is option number B, 1974. Okay. So number 12, trachoma disease affects, it is a disease which affects eyes, liver, lungs, stomach. It is a eyes. Okay, trachoma is a disease which will affect your eyes. Okay. Okay, then question number 13. What does the new star, a space based on X-ray telescope study? A, stars, B, comets, C, asteroids, D, black holes. So it is a new star is a black hole. Okay. Okay. Number 14. Shobit observes the moon which looks like as shown in the picture. How long will it be before Shobit sees the moon in same phase again? So how long it will be in the same phase again? 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or 15 days, it will be 1 month, because full moon day after 1 month, again the full moon day, and half moon day after 15 days, everything will come. So it will become 1 month. Okay, number 15 we are going to do. Sportsmen use shoes with spikes because these are increases smoothness and sportsmanship, increases the tractions between the shoes and the ground, decreases the gravitational force between sportsmen and the floor. None of these. It is number B, increases the traction. It will be fraction. It should not be traction. It will be fraction between the shoes and the ground. Okay, it will be fraction between the shoes and the ground. Okay. Then coming to question number 16. Baking soda and sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 is a versatile compound. What is an example of a chemical property of baking soda? A. Bubbles when mixed with vinegar allows dough to rise while baking, neutralize odors. All of these. It is basically all of these. Okay, all the things which soda can do it. Question number 17. Look at the given picture. Which of the following best classifies the types of rock shown in the picture? So this is the type of rocks. So which is the igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, or volcanic? So which is the type of this? It is a sedimentary rock. Okay, it is a sedimentary rock. Number 18. Look at the given picture shown. Four forces P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R and S. Okay. Okay. What does P, Q, R and S stand for? Okay. What does P, Q, R and S stand for? So we have to maintain. See what you see. Actually P stand for thrust. Okay. R for lifting up. Okay. Q for lifting up. Q is lifting up when airplane goes up, lifting up. And S for weight, they are handling the weight. And R is for drag. So wait a minute. It's lift. Q is for thrust. R is for weight. Okay, it is lift. Okay, then Q is for thrust, R is for weight, and S is for dragging. So lift, weight. So lift, thrust. Okay, so our option number D is the correct answer. Okay, P is for lift, Q is for thrust. Okay, and R is for weight and S is for drag. Okay, so our option number D is the correct answer. Number 19. Which kind of waves are used to make a receive cell phone calls? Which kind of waves? Sound waves, radio waves, light waves, or none of these? So it is a radio waves. Okay. Then coming to question number 20. Who proposed the laws of electrolysis? Who proposed the laws of electrolysis? Michael Faraday, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, James Clerk Maxwell. It is a Michael Faraday. It is Michael Faraday. Okay. Then coming to question number 21. Who is believed to be father of virology? Okay, a study of viruses and diseases caused by them. So who is this? It is Martinus Benjeric. Okay. Question number 22. He was the naturalist and geologist best known for his contribution to the science of evolution. Evolution, you know, change. Okay. He wrote the book The Origin of Species. Who is he? The Origin of Species. Who is he? So let us see who is he. Origin of Species. It is given Louis Pasteur, Charles Darwin, Sir Alexander Fleming, Stephen Hawking. It is Charles Darwin. Okay, it is Charles Darwin. Okay. Coming to question number 23rd. He was an English scientist whose most notable achievements were in the precise measurement of time and the determination of the speed of light. He was the first to determine the speed of light using a laboratory apparatus. Identify him. So he was Louis. See, you know it is written over here light. Louis Essence. He was a Louis Essence. Option number B. Okay, Isaac Newton. It was he was no Louis Essence, Hall, Behold. None of these. So it is a Louis Essence. Okay, coming to question number 24. A weather map shows information about atmospheric pressure and weather fronts. Which type of earth scientists work on developing and interpreting weather maps? Who is this? Geologist? No, geologist is not that. Geologist about geography. Okay, then we have astronomer. No, that's about space. Meteorologist or oceanographer. So it is meteorologist who studies about Mars and all. It is a meteorologist. Then we have question number 25. Sir Isaac Newton was a psychist and mathematician who is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of all time and a key figure in this scientific revolution. Is Newton is a unit of measurement. Newton is a unit of measurement for time, distance, mass or force. All we know that Newton is a force. Newton is a distinct of measurement of force. Okay, remember this. So as we have completed our chapter number 3 also, we have completed chapter number 3. In next video we are going to do chapter number 4. Okay, we are going to do chapter number 4. Do study for it. Okay, thank you students for today's video. We'll start with chapter number 4 in our next video. Thank you students.